nights don't get around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a open collaboration where we're doing Fall in Love with Food, and of course the host is Tiffany over at Small Town 6. This is her channel. Be sure to check it out along with the playlist of videos that are coming out today. So without further ado, I'm going to be making my favorite fall dish from my childhood, and that includes, my grandmother always used to make a pumpkin pie. She does every Thanksgiving, and she even makes it before Thanksgiving. So join me as I make my pumpkin pie. Okay, so jumping right into it, you want to make sure that you have all of your items that you need in order to make this. So you need 1 unbaked pie crust, you need 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, you need 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 2 eggs, 1 can of Libby'S puree pumpkin, and then you need 1 can of evaporated milk. So I decided to get 2 crusts instead of just 1 because it's enough to make 2. So just pull them apart and open up the canned pumpkin and just put it into the actual bowl. All right, so you're gonna add in your cinnamon, add in the ground ginger, add in your ground cloves, so you're gonna wanna crack the 2 eggs that's called for in this recipe. You will then beat those lightly in a different bowl. Then you'll just stir it into the pumpkin and sugar spice mixture and just be ready to gradually stir in the evaporated milk. So add in your granulated sugar, add in the whole can of the evaporated milk. I just chose to divide it and make it into 1.5 cups. Meanwhile, your oven should be heating on 425, and you will bake it on 425 for 15 minutes, and then you will reduce the temperature to 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes, or until the knife inserted it comes out clean. Now that it's on 350, reminder that you'll just be baking it for 40 to 50 minutes or until the knife comes out clean. You'll cool it on a wire rack for about 2 hours and you'll serve immediately or refrigerate. And here they are, fresh out the oven.